The house is quiet now, not peaceful quiet, not a spa music quiet, just quiet. The kind of quiet that reminds you who isn't here anymore. My dad, the daily noise of being needed, the version of me that always had someone calling my name. I knew this day would come one day. I knew one day I would be an empty nester. I knew one day I would have to say goodbye to my dad. But knowing isn't the same as standing in it. Grief doesn't knock, it just sits beside you on the couch. It breathes in the room. It waits until the distractions leave. And then there's loneliness, not the dramatic kind, the subdued kind, the kind that shows up when you realize no one is coming home tonight. And you have to sit with yourself. No chaos, no crisis, no noise to hide behind, just you. And I won't lie, sometimes it feels like someone snatched the rug right from underneath me. Sometimes I question who I am without all the roles I carry. But here's what I'm learning in the stillness: alone isn't abandonment, quiet isn't empty, grief is not weakness. This is the season where God is stripping the noise so I can hear Him clearly. This is the season where I meet the woman underneath, the mother, the daughter, the fixer, the strong one. And she's tender, but she's still standing. If you're in a quiet season too, if your house echoes in ways you weren't prepared for, if grief and growth are holding hands in your life, you're not broken. You're becoming. Count it all joy. Thank God for grace. Thank God for Jesus. We're blooming together. And may heaven continue to smile upon your beautiful, amazing face on this happy hump day.